a theorem let A is some real number and x belongs to neighborhood of A, then x is equal to A. Then x is equal to A. Here, first we need to understand this thing, neighborhood of A. Let A minus epsilon, A plus epsilon is neighborhood of A, where for all epsilon positive. Now second thing, x belong to neighborhood. That means here it is saying x belong to neighborhood this. Now x cannot be this or this. This means x lies between A minus epsilon, A plus epsilon. Now this how can I write? This I can write because I told you the absolute value like this, x less than epsilon mean minus epsilon less than x less than epsilon, or because it is distance from 0, so x minus 0 less than epsilon mean minus epsilon x minus 0 less than epsilon. So this was the definition. Here this I can say epsilon is added whole side, that means you can say 0 minus epsilon less than x less than 0 plus epsilon. I can write like this. So here if I subtract this A, then this means this become minus epsilon if I subtract less than x minus A less than epsilon. Now by this property we have mode of this less than epsilon. From this we have x minus A mode equal to 0. Now why this? Why this happen? This I proved one result, but again I prove this result for you. What is this result? This is important thing. If a small theorem I prove here, if A is some real number with A is non-negative, and for each epsilon A lies between 0 and epsilon for all epsilon positive, then show that A is equal to 0. Proof. If A 0, then we have to prove nothing to prove. Our result is done. So let A is positive. A is positive. So this is for all epsilon. This is, I write here, for all epsilon positive. So here you see, since A is positive and epsilon positive, so take epsilon is equal to A by 2. Because A is positive, A by 2 also be positive. Therefore, I can choose epsilon A by 2. If I place this value here, what I get? Then this epsilon becomes 0, A less than A by 2, or you can say or A less than A by 2. This result, you see, it is untrue because A is positive number, and here we reach to the destination that A is less than half of itself, which cannot be true. Some positive number can never be smaller than half of it. So it is contradiction which suppose A is positive. So we have possibility A is 0. Therefore, with the same result, this is positive number and this is less than epsilon for all epsilon positive. Therefore, this is 0, and this mean x minus A 0, and this mean x is equal to A. This is the result we have proved. This is the result we have